Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can pay later on Uber Eats. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Uber Eats. Open that, open Uber Eats. So once you open Uber Eats, you simply need to click on your account and go on to your wallet. So once you are in your wallet, here you can see payment method. Click on add payment method and you need to add the zip payment method. So here you can see different options. You simply need to select the zip. So currently I'm in that country where zip is not available, but if zip is available, so you simply need to select zip and add your zip account here. Once you add it, then you have the option to pay later on the Uber Eats. So this is the process that you need to follow. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.